Hello everyone, welcome to Excel with Uru. Today you'll be learning how to create macros in Excel. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial and it's going to be a beginner's guide. So you'll be learning how to record and execute macros in under 10 minutes. In this video, I'll be showing you what a macro is, how to set up a macro, how to record macro, and how to execute a macro. So let's move forward. So what is a macro? A macro is a function in Excel, and it can be helped to automate a sequence of actions that can be performed in Excel to simplify and expedite repetitive tasks. So you can actually automate the repetitive tasks that are performed in Excel. So you can record these tasks in Excel and then you can execute it as needed. Macro also helps you save time as the repetitive tasks can be automated, and it will also help you reduce the errors since it will minimize the manual input and it reduces the risk of mistakes by that. Thirdly, it increases productivity as you will have ample of time to focus on important tasks in Excel, while Excel will handle your routine tasks. So let's enable our developer tab to run macro. So let's go to Excel. And in this main ribbon, if you have a developer tab, then you will be able to record macro. But if you don't have a developer tab over here in your main ribbon, let me show you how you can add that. Go to File, go to More, go to Options, and then go to Customize ribbon. Once you're in Customize ribbon, go to the right hand side, click down, and you will find Developer here. Just click on Developer and press OK. After you've done that, you will see Developer option in your main ribbon. And once you have Developer option in your main ribbon, now you can see macros, record macros, and other functionalities. Now that we have added developer in our main ribbon, now we can start recording our steps. So we have to go to developer first and go to record macro. After you click record macro, you'll be given this pop-up, and here you will have to name the macro. For example, let's say we are given this information over here from our operations team, and they are requesting us to format the data and then provide the profit with highest profit and lowest profit, and also the product that is relating to it. So let's say this is a profit analysis we are going to do for our operations team, and let's name our macro as profit analysis. So I've just typed in profit analysis, and now let's press OK. When you have pressed OK, it is showing you that there is syntax error. The reason Excel is giving us this error is because macro name cannot have any space or character, and the letter can be separated, or the names can be separated with underscore. So let's fix that. Press OK and go back, and then let's remove the space first, and let's add underscore, and let's press OK. Now macro has allowed us to name that macro as profit underscore analysis. Now let's format our workbook. So let's select from column B to E, and then hit Alt H O I in Excel. So that formats the Excel cells. So column B to E has been formatted. Once we have done that, let's choose our heading, and then let's make it bold by pressing Ctrl B. After that, let's choose a border And for this one, you can choose anyone, but for this purpose, I'm going to choose top and double bottom border. And once we have done that, let's change these numbers which are in general format to accounting. To do that, you can just select column C, D, and E, and then choose $sign. And let's format this to show lower decimal or fewer decimal places. So that's done. So our formatting of our data has been completed. Now let's find highest profit. Let's type in highest profit, and then we are going to use max function in Excel, which gives us the maximum or the largest value in the set of data. So use max and select the data. So we're going to select column E because we are going to find the highest profit. And for example, let's say we're expecting more data, maybe 50 or 100 more rows. So we're going to change this from 17 to 100. Once we've done that, let's use XLOOKUP to find out which product has the highest profit. So we are going to use XLOOKUP, and our lookup value is going to be the highest profit, and our lookup array is going to be profit or loss, that is column E. To make it consistent, let's put 100 instead of 17. Our lookup array is going to be products or column B, and to make it consistent, let's put 100 as well. So there you have it. You have the highest profit, and we use max as our function in Excel, and we found out which product has the highest profit, and that is sofa, and we use XLOOKUP to do that. After that, let's find out the lowest profit as well. So lowest profit, so we found out the product with highest profit. Now we are going to do lowest profit. So let's find the lowest profit. Type lowest profit. And to find out the lowest profit, we are going to use min or min as our function in Excel, and it will return the smallest number in the set of values. So minimum, and we are going to select column E, and to make it consistent, let's put 100 instead of 17. So here we have our minimum or the lowest profit, and let's find out the lowest product with the lowest profit. So XLOOKUP, choose a lookup value, lookup array is going to be column E, return array is going to be column B, and now let's format these as well. We can do Alt HOI to format, and let's highlight this as green, and then to Control B. So these are the steps we are going to record. We are going to developer now, and we are going to do stop recording. So once we click stop recording, it will record the steps we have just performed right now. Let's do stop recording. Now, for example, let's say we are in week 2, and we don't want to repeat all those steps that we have done just right now. Since we have automated our process using macro, let's use our macro function and then use the recorded version, and let's click run. So with just a click, it has given us our result. The data has been formatted as we wanted, and it has given us the highest profit, lowest profit with the products. So to wrap up, you can use macro if you have any repetitive tasks and you do this on a regular basis. It will save you time and you'll be efficient at your work. So please try this step-by-step process of recording a macro and executing a macro, and please comment below if you have any issues.